birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. And this is a mango cake. और ये बाइट सबसे पहले जाएगा आपको. ये डिश. चलो अभी आप पहले खाएंगे. हाँ ओके ओके. ये हम भी थोड़ा सा इसको टेस्ट करते हैं. यम. वैसे तो मैं डाइट पे हूँ बट अभी मैंने अपना व्रत तोड़ दिया.
When are you not on diet?
जब मैं बीमार होता हूँ.
Okay. This is a little gift.
Wow, how sweet. Thank you so much. Toys reveal new ways to have fun. Oh, so this is a toy for me. Ready? Oh, is this a candle?
No, these are short glasses.
Oh, these are tequila glasses.
Yeah.
Oh my God, you think I'm a drinker?
But you can keep them, you know. You can drink anything.
Wow.
Tequila is the first thing that
But
comes
they look
in
cool.
your mind.
They look really cool. मैं खोल के दिखाता हूँ. मुझे तो समझ आ गया यहाँ से. पर आपको और समझने के लिए वैसे इन्हें ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत ही दारूबाज हूँ और बहुत टकीला शॉट्स मारता हूँ. जी नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. मैं नहीं पीता और नहीं मुझे पीने का शौक है. बट हाँ, मुझे पिलाने का शौक है, तो मैं अपने दोस्तों को ज़रूर पिला सकता हूँ.
Yeah, that's what, even if you're non-drinker, you can put them in your home like for decoration.
So ये मेरे बर्थडे का पहला गिफ्ट है. This is tequila shot. Wow. This is cool.
Glad you liked it.
Yeah, it looks very nice. अगर आप उसमें tequila ना भी पीना चाहें तो भी आप उसको डेकोरेशन के लिए रख सकते हैं. It looks so beautiful. So there's a blue and green color here. Cheers.
So like Bollywood life is here to celebrate Shakti's birthday. The way handsome actor turns.
अभी इसके बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे हम लोग.
Okay, we won't talk
वैसे
about
सभी को
that.
पता है लेकिन इसके बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे.
Okay, but we have got a quick rapid fire for Shakti on this very very special occasion.
Okay.
What is your favorite one-liner about life?
One-liner is live and let live.
Which song describes you the best?
Describes me the best. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है.
According to you, which is your best trait?
According to what?
According to you, what is the best quality you have?
The best quality. There are so many best qualities in me. To find the best in that also, it's very difficult actually. Maybe I'm down to earth. I'm humble to everybody. That's why.
What makes you angry instantly?
If they are not living up to my expectations, and if they are actually, I don't like mediocrity. So mediocrity really puts me down. I mean, puts me off actually.
Who is your inspiration in life?
There are many people whom I get inspired from periodically, but I keep inspiring myself because I feel that जो competition होना चाहिए वो खुद से होना चाहिए, ना कि किसी और से होना चाहिए. So to inspire yourself, to motivate yourself, you have to keep up your spirits, and that's what I try to do. And जिससे भी कोई भी inspiring चीज़ मिलती है या कोई भी इंसान से कुछ भी एक अच्छी positive चीज़ मिलती है, मैं वो उठा लेता हूँ.
And how do you like to relax? Like, what's your favorite unwind activity?
The best way to relax is to have a great massage.
What's the naughtiest thing you have done in life?
When I was a kid, I used to ring the bells of different floors and then I used to run. That's the naughtiest thing I've done when I was a naughty kid.
How often do you pray?
I pray daily, whenever I get time, and जितनी बार भी मुझे मौका मिलता है मैं उतनी बार प्रे करता हूँ.
Okay. Have you ever used your star status to evade a problem or to get out of a problem?
No, I've never done that because मुझे ऐसा फील ही नहीं होता है कि मैं कोई सेलिब्रिटी हूँ या स्टार हूँ. जैसे लोगों के लिए जॉब उनके लिए जॉब होता है, वैसे ही एक्टिंग मेरे लिए जॉब है. After that, I forget what I am.
Like an ideal son, an ideal lover, an ideal husband, ideal father, which is the one role in life you would like to achieve to perfection?
I think being a good son matters to me the most because my sisters were already very well educated and they were pampered a lot because they were very good in their lives, and I was a little in the naughtier side, you know, not doing well in studies. I used to score average but not very well. So for me to prove to my parents that, you know, I can do good in my life, it was a challenge, and I'm trying to live up to that, and I hope I keep doing that.
In life, what do you like to collect?
Collect?
Yeah.
I love to collect memories, good memories that I can always cherish, and which always keeps me happy all the time.
Okay. What is that one thing you find very annoying about women or girls?
The one annoying thing about women is that they keep a lot of baggages, which I don't like.
Okay. When did you take your last holiday?
I'm just back from a holiday from Singapore. I'm back today itself. So yeah.
Who is your man Friday?
My mom. She saves me from everything.
In the task of shopping for your girlfriend, on a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate yourself? How good are you as a shopper?
1. For others actually. For myself, I'm very good, but for others, I cannot shop anything because I don't know what to shop. You know what the other person will like. It's better to take that person to the place and to make them shop then and there. That's what my funda is. I don't know how to give surprises. That's my biggest fault. I feel.
Okay. What is that one topic you love to give gyan on?
Life, philosophies.
Who is that one TV actress who is senior to you but whom you find very hot?
Can't think of as of now.
Okay. In which country you would like to have a holiday romance?
Venice.
Okay. And what is the one thing you love about your girlfriend?
Her honesty.
Okay. If Hugh Hefner invited you to the Playboy Mansion...
What?
If Hugh Hefner gave you an invitation to the Playboy Mansion, who is the woman you would take with you?
Take with me?
Yeah. Like as your partner, or... Yeah. Or you would just go there and...
Okay,
just
edit the question. I would not like to answer this one. Not on camera.
Okay. If you had to put up a matrimonial ad for yourself, how would you describe yourself?
Handsome, smart, dashing, intelligent Munda is waiting for you, and 5 feet 11 inches, good actor. बस यहीं पे मुझे कोई नहीं कैंडिडेट मिलेगा एक्टर जैसे मैंने डाल दिया क्योंकि एक्टर्स लोग से सब दूर भागते हैं बट एनीवेज या एन एक्टर sophisticated, well educated, looking for a beautiful, honest, innocent bride.